In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Calendar for productivity and time management while incorporating a college aesthetic plan. Let's dive into optimizing your scheduling routine one step at a time. First, start by navigating to Google Calendar. If you haven't already, click on the Sign In button found at the top right corner of the page, enter your Google account and password, then hit Next or press Enter to proceed. Once you're logged in, it's time to set up your main calendars. On the left sidebar, you'll see Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it and select Create New Calendar. Take a moment to fill in the calendar details. After entering the required information, click on Create Calendar. Next, let's assign different colors to each calendar. This will help you visually separate tasks, making it easier to manage different aspects of your life at a glance. You can do this by clicking on the three dots next to a calendar and selecting a color or choosing custom color if you're aiming for a more personalized look. For that minimalist aesthetic vibe, consider using softer or pastel tones. Now it's time to populate your calendar with events. Add events for your daily tasks and routines by clicking on Create and then selecting Event. Here you can enter the details of your tasks, use descriptive titles, and feel free to incorporate emojis in your event names. This makes your schedule visually appealing and easier to scan, injecting a bit of personality into your planning. One powerful technique in effective time management is time blocking. Map out your day by using all-day events for major goals and specifying time slots for tasks that need structure. This creates a clear plan for your day and helps in maintaining focus. Don't forget to save each task once you've inputted the details. Google Calendar has several built-in features that can boost your productivity. Turn on tasks and reminders from the sidebar to gather all your to-dos in one place. When adding a task, make sure to enter the task details and set appropriate schedules to keep you on track. After setting up, hit Done to save. Finally, adjust the view and layout of your calendar to match your aesthetic preferences. Try switching between different views like schedule or month, depending on what suits your planning style best. Enable Show Completed Tasks for a sense of achievement as you tick off your completed goals. By optimizing your Google Calendar with these tips, you'll not only enhance productivity, but also create an aesthetic and organized approach to your everyday scheduling needs. Stick around for more tips and don't forget to subscribe for other productivity hacks.